What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Started this video off with the cold start because why not? So I'm gonna get right into this. When I installed the bumper on, I want to say like it's been a few months already since I wrapped the car. I installed it pretty fast because I was in a hurry, and it was also in the dark. Long story short, the way my intercooler sits, you kind of gotta get it perfect, otherwise the fitment is trash, as you guys can see. It was a lot better than this, but like I said, I did it in a hurry. So what I'm gonna do today is take it off and try to get it right, take my time on it, because this thing is literally like how do you say it? Not that I'm insecure about it, but like I fucking hate it. That shit looks ugly. So, and we're also gonna be going to meet later with the homie, so I need to fix it before I take it out. Here's a little before and after. As you guys can see, the bumper's like, kind of say, like pushed in kind of. The fitment is absolutely horrible. Like I said, my intercooler is kind of fat. The intercooler pipe is kind of fat, so that's why it sits so weird. So I have to get it like right on point. So I'm gonna take it off and put it back on again, and hopefully make it look a lot better than this. Just like that. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not perfect fitment, but it's a lot better than it was. It was like saggy on this side, but like I said, unfortunately the way my intercooler is set up, the way the pipes are set up, they're a little fat, so you can't really get a perfect fitment. I need to change the whole piping and the whole intercooler, which I should be doing soon. I want to get a whole new turbo kit. I have an exhaust leak right now, which is not really the turbo kit's fault. I guess it's just shit that happens, but it just gets annoying. So the next kit will for sure be fully B-banded, no exhaust leaks, no boost leaks, no nothing. So I'm looking forward to that. But if anybody wants to offer me on this turbo kit, it's great. Don't get me wrong, don't think the turbo kit has problems or you're gonna be having boost problems. No, but since it isn't B-banded, I mean, with time I guess you will get like an exhaust leak, which will in this case be a boost leak. But anyways, like I said, I need another kit. I want another kit. If anybody wants to offer me for this one, let me know. I could ship on your dime. But that being said, fitment on the bumper is a lot better. Alright guys, it is now a few hours later from the last clip you guys just saw. Met up with Jimmy and one of his homies. Super clean up here, 40i. Chrome TEs, cherry red. The thing is super clean, bro. As you guys know, I'm looking for a new car. And the list of cars, there's M340i or 8 M340is in it. And this guy is not helping the cause, bro. He's making me want one now. It's because honestly, for a daily, you can't really beat it. Yeah, it sounds good. You can't really beat it, bro. Super comfortable. Looks good. It's fast. And the content with those, that's another thing that I'm trying to, how do you call it? Consider when buying this next car. I need to make sure the car does good on content. I need to make sure the car is relatable to you guys or to new viewers. And I think for content purposes, I think that's the best car out of the ones that are on my list. And I've always said that. But the only thing that sucks is that they are a little bit common. So other than that, I think it's one of the best dailies out there. Another thing, guys, I am a little bit worried right now. When I was on my way to pick up this man right here, Chris, I didn't even say that he was with me. I was on my way to pick him up. I shifted a second, the car started sputtering. I put it in neutral and the car backfired pretty loud. What I think might have happened is that I had the car on the kill switch and I tried to turn it on. Obviously it didn't turn on. I took off the kill switch and then the car turned on and whatever. So I'm thinking maybe it geeked out or something. I don't know, but I mean, on the bright side, we're not going too far, so we should be good. You're not helping my decision, bro. Come on, Jimmy, your turn. Oh yeah, America. Jimmy, if you're watching this, your taillights are bright as fuck, bro. My eyes hurt. Damn. But anyways, we made it to the meet. Got some pretty sick cars here, I'm not gonna lie. To my left, we got a Mark 5 Supra. Then we got a baby Supra. 86 or whatever, GR86. Then we got my grandpa over there with the truck. Another one of my choices, F82. There's so many F80X here, bro. 2 Supras, Another F80 behind me. Ooh, got some big Q fam right there. Shoot. That's another thing, guys. I feel like these cars are a little bit played out. That's one thing that sucks. That's why between me and you guys, like 3 weeks ago, I went to.
It's even shaking, bro.
Yeah, that car shakes. I went to go try to buy a new Z because you don't ever see them, but the dealer was smoking crack. So, but anyways, damn, you got your competition right there, brother. Bro, this meet is so packed. This is like the second loop already, and I'm already blinded by this was taillights, and I'm high off his freaking 91 no cat having ass fucking smell, bro. Fucking Jimmy, bro. This is the M340 that we were cruising with. Super clean, bro. 10 out of 10. This dude even got a cage in here. Shit is hard, bro. Just so if you guys want to check them out. Cherry red, chrome TEs, perfect combo. This F80 also joined us at the very end, bagged. Damn, bro, these are literally two cars that I want. Help me choose, guys. F80 M3, a little bit older, but in my opinion, a better car all around. Or a newer, more modern M340i. B58, S55, rear-wheel drive. Well, they're both rear-wheel drive, I guess. I don't know. Help.
Two-stroke?
Get your homies, Chris. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, we got the Camry squad. Damn, we got the Camry squad over here. Check out the Z. Paint match fenders. SSRs, little bumper. Very nice. 370Z right next to it on the works, which is clean. 57 CRs, fire. Pretty clean 5 Series. You don't really see these too much. Very nice. Pretty nice Q50. I like the color. He is slammed though, right? Mach 1. I actually was looking into one of these. Hey, Jimmy. You see that intercooler? I think that's the guy that I raced. Remember?
No, the one that we raced was like...
No, it is him. Dynoless.
Is it?
Yeah, this is the 5.0 that I raced a couple months back. Sick ass fool.
Flashback.
What's out there?
End of flashback.
There's actually a lot of Camrys here. Oh, on the super stocks. Huh?
That's that trash ass music.
I know, bro. Kids nowadays don't know. That shit's dumb.
I know he's doing that shit.
That fool was at the local takeovers every Friday. If these cars were a bit more reliable, higher power.
Dude,
I'll go.
it's like 60 roll right now.
60 roll? Shit. That shit's probably fast, bro. The Street R's. Got the kitty on the drag pack. The B-locks in the rear. And the 360 cam, bro, wants all the smoke. Jeez. And the skinnies, bro. Got the B1 Nismo. I'm telling you guys, cherry red on chromes. Fire combination. It's funny. So these are two cars that I was interested in these, not anymore. I was seriously interested in one of these. I was calling around all Hondas in Southern California. They were even being rude to me, bro, talking about, oh, yeah, it's impossible to get a car without markup. No offense. It's a nice car, very nice car, but I am not giving money away with the markup. I was trying my best to get one at MSRP. I couldn't, and now kind of fell out of love with these cars, so they're no longer on my list, but they are nice, though. But paying like $5,000 to $15,000 markup on these cars is insane. This is another car that I recently started looking into, a S650. I guess you can now tune these, so that's pretty sick. They're very nice cars. I wouldn't say they're affordable, but they're not that expensive, honestly. I feel like, I mean, you don't really see these a lot, so I feel like the content will be good on these cars. What do you guys think? Or one of these? I'm just kidding. White body cat. I would love one of these, but they are a little bit out of my budget for a second car.
Would you?
Yeah, I would. If I could find a good deal, I would. They're sick, bro. The white bodies are sick. The stock bodies, not so much.
What else?
That's a 15. Homie 2 by E-Class, I believe. Got the 15-inch Belix. Decisions, bro. Mark 5 or a Mark 5 with 2 extra doors and more luxury options. I don't know, bro. I'm so fucking indecisive, bro. I'm literally getting gray hairs over this shit. Sick ass, fool. That's another reason why I wanted to come to this meet, to see these cars up in person that I want to buy. Maybe get you guys' input. Oh, damn, Frenchie. Oh, shit. Nah, my dog would have fucking killed him. That's one of the best sounding V8s ever, bro. I don't care. So, what do you think about today's meets, bro? Compared to like 2019, 2018, 2019.
Downgrade for sure.
Pretty King 50 pulling up.
Yeah, bro. Like,
I miss mine, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Ooh, G80 on the freaking Belux. If I had a G80 and it was rear-wheel drive, I would do that exact same setup. The stock fronts and put what are they, the 826M style Belux. That is fire, bro. Ah, man, decisions. That was the OG plan, guys. It was a Supra or nothing. But then I started thinking, my only other car is a 2-door and a 2-seater. Do I really want another 2-seater? I don't know. This thing is so clean, bro. Murdered out. Ooh. Murdered out on the 15-inch Belix. E-Class tuned. Yeah. You didn't know that? I think it is, at least.
well, I thought it was like.
Is that a... That is one thing about these cars. They're kind of everywhere. But there's only a select few that are actually clean. This is pretty nice. S550 or S650? What do you guys think? I'll give you $20 if you sit in it.
Make it 50 and I will.
Clean Mark 5 on the TEs, 18-inch. Are these supposed to be like McLaren headlights? Got a single turbo G80. Oh, sick! That's the one that passed by with the Belux. Perfect example of a simple and clean MP40. Nice cars. The markup is just stupid. That's your boy right there, or what? Pretty clean. Can never go wrong with the SBC RPF ones. American Muscle. Look at the bombobulator. I don't even know what to say, bro. Bro, there is so many Camrys here, bro. I should have invited my mom, bro. That shit is fire, bro. Nice. Fox body with the Kirky in it. That's pretty sick. The skinny in the front. You think that was gapping me or what? That's about it, guys. This car meet. Honestly, car meets are not the same anymore, but this one wasn't too bad. I've been to a lot worse. But it just, they don't hit the same, bro, if I'm being honest.